y'all, Josh here. I'm at the bottling line here, and right now we're currently making a separate bottling for Linfield College, which is right here local in McMinnville. As you can see, we've been taking bottles out, simply feeding them into the press here where they get filled with the wine. You can see right there. Then they come down the line. And they under there, and then the gas put into the line, and then to where they come down the packing line, where they're packed right here, and then they come out. We'll talk more later.